Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Identify the target intermediate T and product V. T is 4-bromomethyl, benzophenone, a benzene ring with a CH2Br group, and a C is equal to O, pH, benzol, group at the para positions. V is 4-cyanomethyl, benzophenone, same scaffold but CH to CN instead of CH to Br. Moving on to the next step. Determine reagent mu, conversion of T to V. The transformation T, V replaces CH to Br with CH to Cn. This is a nucleophilic substitution, SN2, at the benzylic position. The Cn nucleophile displaces Br. To get a nitrile, not an isonitrile, the preferred reagent is KCN, potassium cyanide, because KCN in polar aprotic or protic solvents gives predominantly the nitrile product via carbon attack. HCN is a weak acid and a poor source of Cn. For SN2 reactions, KCN provides Cn ion efficiently. Therefore, mu is equal to KCN. Moving on to the next step. Determine R and S, synthesis of T from R using S. T is 4-bromomethyl, benzophenone. The benzol group, C, is equal to O, pH, on the ring suggests a Friedel-Crafts acylation. If R is equal to benzene, then S must supply the acyl group and the bromomethyl substituted benzene ring simultaneously. S is equal to 4-bromomethyl, benzol chloride, ClC, is equal to O-4-CH2Br phenyl, with UlCl3 as catalyst would acylate benzene to give T directly via Friedel-Crafts acylation. This matches option, Cr is equal to benzene, S is equal to ClC, is equal to O-4-CH2Br phenyl, with UlCl3, mu is equal to KCN. And for the final step, elimination of other options. A. R is equal to chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene as starting material would introduce a chlorine substituent on the ring of the product, which is not present in T. Incorrect. B. R is equal to benzene. S is equal to ClC, is equal to O-CH2Br phenyl, UlCl3, mu is equal to HCN. The R and S parts are correct, but HCN is not a good reagent for SN to nitrile synthesis. KCN is preferred. Incorrect. D. R is equal to benzol chloride, S is equal to benzyl bromide, UlCl3. This would not cleanly give T via standard Friedel-Crafts chemistry because benzol chloride is not the aromatic substrate and the regiochemistry would be problematic. Incorrect. Therefore, the correct answer is C. Therefore, the correct answer is option C.